I did not purposely stop the last one. Like, really weird. Anyway. Okay, so. Ooh, yes, about my girlfriend. Yes, I discovered that apparently I am the ook. Took me a very long time to figure this out, but I was sitting there one night and I'm like, wait. Connecting dots. All those little dots? Yeah, there's dots all over the screen now. White dots. Boom, 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 boom. My hands look weird when I do that. Anyway, so I am the ook. It sucks being the ook. It really does. Oh, the semi seems even worse because it's all controlling and there. Ugh. And so, yeah, now back to the anime-ness. And we're back. Alright, so from Inuyasha and Kagome bothers me. I'm saying this again because she really bothers me. She's all like, fine, Inuyasha, you can do that. I'm going this way. Little bitch, I hate her. Oh, excuse me. Anyways, so, and after Inuyasha, I discovered a Death Note, which is just hardness. And after Death Note, I discovered Kuroshitsuki? Something like that. It's Japanese. It's really awesome, and I love Soul. And Sebastian is just amazing, and Guriel is amazing, and late Madame Red is dead and amazing. Oh, and Elizabeth's amazing, and she's hilarious, and she reminds me of me a little bit, because I'm all looked out, and that mansion was so boring, you needed to lighten that place up. And I'm going to turn on the light, because it seems really dark right now. And I can't see anything. Hold on. Ah, much better. Yes. Hair. I have a lot of it now. My old video, I did not have this much hair. But anyway, so. And after that, well, I'm still discovering some more. Oh, yeah, I also discovered something Romantica. It's like June Romantica. Yeah, it's a yaoi. It's a really good yaoi. Perverted novelist. Takahiro's little brother Michiguri or whatever. He rapes him in a loving manner. Tutors him. They fall in love. Takahiro is married now. That happened before they fell in love. Anyway, and Loveless is also very good. It's another natural yaoi. There's not many of those. You have to like make yaoi out of them, and now I'm discovering more of them. Oh my god. But I did not just pull that on my nose. I found it on my nail, but also DeviantArt. I'm on DeviantArt. I know I seem really boring, but I'm like writing stuff now. So much has changed over the summer and school year. I switched schools since then also, and now go to McClure before I went to Creekside. So like Indiana to Seattle, and I take swimming. It's fun. We hang out in the pool all morning. I'm like bouncing up and down because I'm so happy right now. But, and I'm the only one home. That's the only time I'll ever do videos. And we have a home phone. I have my own cell phone. New cell phone. Old cell phone. I lost my old one. And so in the time between my first video and my second video, third, I guess you count that clip, which was amazing. Although it's kind of died down now that I've watched that clip twice. Watch it once, it's amazing. Twice, it's crappy. 3 times, like, oh my god, really? Are you on crack or something? But I need more tea. Okay, so, yeah. Entrance music. So yeah, between the first and whatever video this is, I've discovered I Am Bi. Yaoi is the most amazing thing ever. It totally beats straight people. Straight people are weird. Eggnog gets disgusting after a while of just drinking it like this. Okay, I discovered that about half an hour ago. You know, I thought I threw that in there. And that bangs are really wonderful. Yeah, but that I despise having long hair, but it looks good on me and everyone loves it, so I'm getting cut soon. I love tea. I discovered that recently. Sleeping on an air mattress is not as uncomfortable as I think it is because I've slept on an air mattress for like the past 2 weeks. I no longer take choir. I no longer have to ride the bus. I know I have loads of friends. Found some more people who love yaoi, which kind of confused me because I thought it was a random thing, but really lots of girls my age love it. I did not know that. Really weird. Ugh, not sweet. But also discovered one guy loved me, and I told him I loved him a while ago, and he was just like, whatever. And now I'm like, I hate you since I moved, and he told me this. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of telling you everything that's on my mind right now, but oh dear Lord, I think I'll check my comments to see if any of you have told me what to talk about, because I always say I'm going to do this. In my mind, I'll be like, I'm going to do this, and then I don't ever do it. But comment nicely. Tell me how to get better. Tell me how to put this little red box that say where to go, like right here, and here, and here, and possibly one around my face. Anyway, how to make. It's 5:07 p.m. and that was a school bus. It's dark out. This tea's not very good unless it's very strong, and I'm not being patient enough to make it strong. Anyway, so, yeah. Comment, rate. Tell me how to little boxes. Explain how to edit. You know how to do that. That's about it. I'm gonna end this. In like 2 seconds, it'll be 8 minutes.